Now I am going to explain about different layers on earth. Okay, see, the radius or the distance to the central of the earth is 6000 kilometers. Suppose if you wanted to go inside of the earth, how many kilometers you have to travel? 6000 kilometers. It is not possible, isn't it or not? Even so, suppose some if you wanted to bring, okay, now take out the petroleum, only few kilometers they install the pipes. Okay, now few kilometers, 20, okay, now 25 kilometers, like that. Okay, such a manner. So only few kilometers human beings reached the earth. Okay, now inner part of the earth. It is not possible to go. Okay, so 6000 kilometers. It is not at all possible. Okay, so earth is made up of three main layers. Earth is made up of how many main layers? Three. Examination point of view, this particular topic is very very important. First, crust, mantle, core. What is this, sir? Suppose where we are living, on the crust part we are living. Okay, now crust is made up of rocks. Crust is made up of rocks. The thickness of the crust is 30 to 100 kilometers. Okay, now that means the depth of the crust is 30 to 100 kilometers. So we are some, if you see the earth, somewhere else plains are located, plateaus are located. Okay, now then mountains are located. These areas comes under crust area. Okay, now you have clarity in this regard. See here, this is crust area. One more thing, if you take an egg is in which shape? Oval shape. If you observe the shell of the egg, that is, if you feel that one, you compare with earth. Okay, na, that shell is okay, na, nothing but crust of the earth. Do you understand? Very thin shell you are observing. Okay, na? Which shell? Egg shell. Egg shell is very thin. Okay, so that covers only 1%. That means earth crust part covers only 1%. Next, mantle. Mantle depth is 100 to 2009 kilometers. Okay, na, 100 to 2000 kilometers. A palleable layer we can, okay, na, observe in mantle area. A palleable layer existed on where? Mantle area. On that palleable layer, this crust is floating up. On that palleable layer, crust is floating up. Okay, na? So then if you go down, molten kind of materials we may observe. Molten materials, molten lava. For example, sometimes earthquakes are occurring. By that time, what will come out? Lava will come out. Okay, na? Through the magma chambers, lava will come out. That is different aspect. Okay, na? Then some gases also presented on, okay, na, earth, inside of the earth. Some of the gases presented. So mantle, 100 to 2009 kilometers depth it having, which are, okay, na, existed silicates presented on mantle area. Crust area, rocks are presented. Okay, then see, mantle covers 16%. Okay, now if you take an earth, then crust covers only 1%, then mantle covers 16%. How many kilometers depth having? 100 to 2009 kilometers. Then core. Core total depth is 2009 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. Okay, now presented core. You see, which items are located in core? Which objects are located on core? Iron and nickel. Iron and nickel objects existed in core area. Core again divided into, okay, two parts: outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core. Outer core depth 2900 kilometers to 5000 kilometers. Outer core, okay, now if you go, suppose if you see the outer core, which objects are, which components are existed? Nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. Inner core. inner core depth is 5000, okay na, 5100 to, okay na, so 5100 to 6376 kilometers depth having which one? Inner core. Which inner core contains which objects? Gold. Okay na, gold existed in inner core. See here, this one core covers 83%. Okay na, 83%, depth 2900. Inner outer core, first given outer core, this is outer core, this is inner core. 2900 to 500, sorry, 2900 to 5100. Which one? Inner core depth. Then 5100 to 6376, that is inner core depth. Do you understand? Okay. Just now I explained you, earth is made up of three main layers. Crust. Okay, now we are living on crust area, mantle, then core. Core again divided into two, inner core, outer core and inner core. Crust depth 30 to 100. Okay, now then rocks presented on crust area, on this area. Which area? Crust area. Then next one, mantle 100 to 2900. Silicates are presented. Okay, then core 2900 to 6376. Again this is divided into two parts, outer core, inner core. Outer core 2900 to 5100. Then inner core okay, 5100 to 6376 kilometers depth having, which are presented. Okay na, inner core gold objects presented. Okay, here nickel, outer core nickel and iron presented. This is the topic of, okay, layers on earth. Okay.